In this video, we can talk about top 5 email yard alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today, we're excited to share the amazing contenders challenging email yard's dominance, which is a go-to platform for businesses looking to extend their reach. Therefore, if you are willing to explore the top 5 alternatives of email yard, including Mailchimp, ConstantContact, iContact, Moosend Limited, and Mailmodo, then get ready as we unveil their features. First up, we have Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a popular email marketing platform that enables businesses to create, send, and manage email campaigns. It offers exclusive features like a by-B testing, personalized onboarding, campaign manager, and predictive segmentation. It is designed to help users build and maintain a strong email list and engage with their audience through well-crafted newsletters and automated emails. One of the standout features of Mailchimp is its powerful marketing automation, enabling you to create complex, behavior-based email workflows and nurture leads effectively. Next on our list is ConstantContact. ConstantContact is an email and online marketing platform serving as a comprehensive solution for small businesses and nonprofits to promote their brand and drive results. It offers features like email marketing, marketing automation, and SMS marketing. You can gather feedback and insights from your audience by creating surveys and polls directly within the platform. And one of the standout features of ConstantContact is its event marketing capabilities, making it an ideal choice for businesses seeking to promote and manage events through email campaigns. Moving on, we have iContact. iContact is an email marketing and automation platform that caters to businesses of all sizes, offering tools to design, send, and track email campaigns effectively. Some of the exclusive features of iContact are like triggered emails, scheduled emails, email automation, and email autoresponders. iContact stands out for its integration with Salesforce, providing a seamless connection between email marketing efforts and customer relationship management. And one of the standout features of iContact is its comprehensive set of marketing automation tools, empowering businesses to create sophisticated workflows and nurture leads effectively. The fourth alternative on our list is Moosend Limited. Moosend Limited is an all-in-one email marketing platform tailored to businesses seeking to drive engagement, conversions, and growth through email campaigns. It comes with features like lead generation, email marketing, and reporting and analysis. Moosend is distinguished for its AI-driven predictive analytics, helping businesses identify and target their most engaged and valuable subscribers effectively. One of its standout features is its advanced marketing automation, allowing businesses to design highly personalized customer journeys and automate repetitive tasks. Last but not least, we have Mailmodo. Mailmodo is an innovative email marketing platform that focuses on interactive AMP-powered emails, enabling businesses to create immersive and dynamic email experiences. It comes with some powerful features like email automation, contact management, and integrated email marketing. The platform allows personalized content updates even after the email has been sent, ensuring up-to-date information. And one of its standout features is its ability to integrate easily with popular email service providers and marketing tools. Compared to email yard, Mailchimp is renowned for its unique approach to branding, incorporating quirky illustrations and a distinctive tone that sets it apart from traditional email marketing services. ConstantContact excels in its event marketing features, providing you with tools to promote, manage, and analyze events effectively. iContact's integration with Salesforce is a notable advantage for businesses already using Salesforce for their CRM needs. Moosend's AI-driven predictive analytics stands out as a valuable tool to identify and target the most engaged subscribers effectively. Lastly, Mailmodo's primary differentiator is its specialization in AMP-powered interactive emails. After going through the features and trying these alternatives, we would recommend Moosend Limited as the best alternative to email yard. With its powerful combination of advanced marketing automation and AI-driven predictive analytics, Moosend Limited stands as the best option. Its unique ability to identify and target engaged subscribers effectively, along with its feature-rich platform, makes Moosend Limited an ideal choice for businesses seeking to optimize their email campaigns and drive meaningful results. And there you have it, the best alternative to Hyperwrite. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.